Hello, welcome again. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the concept like why behind mathematics in some of the topics. So what we are doing actually, we apply pi value as 3.14 and we apply the formulas of circumference of the circle as 2 pi r as well as area of circle as pi r square. But have you ever thought about it? Like why area of circle is pi r square? Why circumference of circle is 2 pi r? And why we took pi as 3.14 always? So for clearing that concept only, I'm just creating this video for you. So let's start and learn this concept, why behind all these questions. So let's begin. Let's say why pi is 3.14 and then we will do why circumference of circle is 2 pi r. And then later, what we would do, we would check out why area of circle is pi r square. So let's have a look on all these topics. Let's begin this concept. So first of all, we'll check out what is a circle. So you can check here locus of points that are at the same distance from a center. So we are having the center position and the locus of points that are at the same distance from that center makes a proper circle. Now we will see about parts of circles. So let's have a look. This is the radius of a circle starting from the center to the arc of a circle. You may check here. This is the diameter of a circle. Line passing through the center. It is the biggest chord. Circumference, the boundary of a circle basically. So we can say this circle, if you are observing, it's starting from a point and the complete round is appearing and this round is basically based on its boundary and this is known as circumference. If we will talk about the size of the circles, so you may check here that if it is a bigger radius, it would be a bigger circle. If it would be a smaller radii, that would create a smaller circle. So according to the radius, we can create the circles and that would be of different sizes. Now let's understand about pi. So pi, this is a ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. So what we would do, we would find out the circumference of a circle and the diameter of a circle and then we will find its ratio. And that would give us the value of pi. So let's start an activity based on this concept to calculate the value of pi here. What we are going to do, first of all, I would suggest you to bring your notebook quickly and create a circle on your notebook. After creating a circle, bring thread and put it on circle. Once you will just put the thread on the circle, extra part would come and you need to cut that so that it would cover the proper circle. Now, what we are going to do to measure its circumference, we need a ruler, a scale basically. So on the scale, we will put that thread, we'll just take out the thread from the circle, we'll open it and put it on the ruler and find out its length. And that length is basically the circumference of that circle which you have drawn. Now it's time to find out the diameter of circle through the ruler again. So put the ruler on your circle which you have drawn earlier and find its diameter value. After calculating circumference and diameter, we need to find its ratio. So put circumference on the numerator side, diameter on the denominator side and then divide it. Once you will find the value, that would be 3.14. So this is our result of pi. Amazed? You would be more amazed if you will just apply this concept once more. So let's apply this concept again in another circle of different radius. So I would suggest you to draw another circle, not of the same radii, basically with a different radius. So you can create a bigger circle or a smaller circle as per your own choice. Okay. So here you can create another circle, do the same activity again, bring threads, put around it, and then cut the extra part if it is appearing, put it on the ruler, measure its length, that would be the circumference, then find it the diameter of that circle, now the new circle basically, and then divide both. You would be amazed to see that result now, that every time you're getting the same value, that is 3.14. You may try this concept in several circles, and every time you will get the same result, which is 3.14 and something, so on. So that is why pi we took always as 3.14. Now, let's observe how we are going to do this activity. So I'll just show you a quick way, like how we can create this activity on a A4 sheet or any paper, whatever you wish to. Quickly, I'll show you. So let's observe this part so that you can apply this concept easily. Now let's discuss why circumference of circle is 2 pi r after doing that activity. So now we are all set with that value, that pi is 3.14, and why it is we did an activity based on that. So now it's time to check circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r. So we have just find out that pi is circumference upon diameter. If we'll just cross multiply, that would give us circumference is pi multiplied by diameter, which you can see in the yellowish color, because we are just doing cross multiplication over there. So circumference we got as pi multiplied by diameter. Now everybody knows that diameter is twice of radius. So we'll just put 2 multiplied by r at the place of diameter, and that is giving us the answer, that is circumference as 2 pi r. So this is the reason basically circumference is 2 pi r, because pi is the ratio of circumference and diameter. From there we can say circumference is 2 pi r. Now it's time to understand the concept of area of circle. So why area of circle is pi r square? Any idea? Anyone? All right. So let's see here why area of circle is pi r square. Observe this video carefully to understand this concept. subscribe, press bell icon for more notifications. Have a nice day. Bye bye.